Welcome to another AriasWave update. So this is a continuation of the Bitcoin short trade, small like short-term trade. And yesterday I posted a video where I said that we'd hit about, you know, 0.618. Since then we've hit the 0.618 with big rejection on that area around 21,000, and now we've started to move down. I'm in profit at the moment, so that's a good sign. We're probably going to start moving down to the lows of around 17,000 area. And this is pretty cool because it just shows that, these patterns do play out. And, like visualization is always pretty important. When I first started off this, trade, I envisioned 3-3-5. So that's a 3-3 pattern. Sorry, not 3-3-5, just 3-3 at the moment. So we're dealing with a zigzag pattern. Now, in my experience, even professional traders understand that zigzags are the most common pattern in the markets. So all it takes is a 5-wave move with a decent pullback, and then you trade the rest of the move. So, in my opinion, that's a great way to look at the markets. However, it depends on your view of a zigzag, and when does a zigzag occur? So, in my opinion, right now, this area is perfect for that kind of trading. So, you've always got to judge the market where it's at, and then take action accordingly. So we're seeing a pretty interesting drop at the moment. So to me, this will probably keep going lower and continue to be in profit until we hit the lows. Um, yeah, just to show you how I can use AriasWave to do some day trading, swing trading, short-term trading. Okay, so um, the key here is to just learn AriasWave. Understanding what you should expect next is always key, because otherwise, how are you going to know what's happening in the markets, what's coming next, and how you can capitalize on that type of thing, right? So obviously, when you're trading futures, in terms of tax, that counts as like an income instead of capital gains tax, where like if you're holding a coin, you make some profits and you take profits, etc. So that's completely up to you how you handle your finances. But to me, that's a pretty cool way to deal with short-term movements. Okay, so I'll keep tracking this daily until we hit the lows. Uh, I've been producing a lot of videos in recent times where I have been, you know, anticipating certain moves based on certain criteria, and this is one of those times. So one thing I also wanted to mention that I forgot to mention in yesterday's video is that if this was going to be, and let me just get rid of these markings here, if this was going to be a continuation to the upside, we'd be looking at, like, for example, just say you had a wave one, you had A, B, C, right? Uh, is this a D? Is this an E? Well, I don't think that's valid. And the reason for that is because we had a wave one, or A in this scenario. But if you want to call it a wave one because we haven't had confirmation yet, that's fine. We had an A and we had a B, C, right? Now, when I say that, you look at this move here, that looks like a pretty sharp zigzag, but then you had a 5-wave move. So therefore, you can't call that anything that other than a 5-wave move down. So to me, if you were looking at this as that type of move, for example, if you were to say that's a one and you had an A, B, C, D, E, well, you can't, if this is the start of wave 3, you can't break this low, which we did already. So to me, that's going to keep moving down because that's an invalid impulsive move to the upside. It's invalid already, right? It was invalidated back when those CPI results came out, a few days ago. So to me, this is a no-brainer, and it's just a matter of patience. So hopefully you found this video interesting and informative. Thank you for watching.